Welcome to this beautiful home in Lake Westerra. This new kitchen was custom designed with pot drawers, large pantry, stainless steel appliances and plenty of granite counter space. The dining area is right off the kitchen and has patio doors that open directly onto the deck. Relax in this cozy living room with large windows and gas fireplace. You will love the huge bonus room, that has vaulted ceilings and tons of natural light. Wire up your home theater, create a great workout area or make a relaxing space for family gatherings in this bonus space. This bathroom is one of 4 total in the home. No more problems with crowding in the front entrance. There is lots of room and storage space for the whole family. Retreat to your master oasis at the end of the day. His and hers double closets give you plenty of storage space. The new spa-like en-suite features a soaker tub, separate shower and double sinks. This bedroom is great for the kids or a home office. Another bright bedroom features beautiful hard surface flooring. The main bathroom is perfect for guests or the kids. This low-maintenance 2-tier deck has an abundance of room to relax. Enjoy the comfort of central air conditioning in the summer and peace of mind with a high-efficient furnace in the winter. This home has one of the largest pie-shaped lots in the cul-de-sac. There is also built-in sprinkler systems in both the front and back yards. Don't pass this one by.